Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. This lesson will be about saving plots using the Matplotlib library. Actually, Matplotlib plots can be saved as image files using the savefig function. It is a built-in function. And also the savefig function needs to be called before using the show function with the PLT. And also in this lesson, in the following example, we are gonna use labels to clarify the axes and data on the drawing. As it's shown in this example, we have imported the Matplotlib library first. And after that we created two lists, X and Y. And each list of them contains 4 items of integer data type. 0, 2, 4 and 6 for X variable. This is a special variable, or you can call it a list. This is the main shape of our list inside square brackets. And for the Y variable, 1, 3, 4 and 8. We separated them using comma. These are the two lists that we will be working on. And simply to create a plot, pass an array or a list, in this case, of numbers as an argument to the plt.plot function. And here we have X and Y as arguments for the plot function. After that we created a label for the x-axis. This label is a simple text called x-values by using the xLabel function. Also we did the same thing for the y-axis using the ylabel function, and the text or the label in this case is y-values. Also we put a title for the graph using the title function. Finally, to add a legend label you can use the legend function, exactly as we did in this case. The legend text is data1. Now it's time to use the savefig function before using the show function to show our graph. This is the output we got. Plot1.png is the name of the saved image file in this case. And you can use another format instead of PNG. Matplotlib infers the image file format based on the extension specified in the file name, like in this case. After the file name plot1, we set the format PNG for this image. Also you can see DPI. DPI argument. This is a keyword argument, specifies how many dots per inch. Or you can say that it is the image resolution. And the last keyword argument, bbox_inches, is optional. If the axis labels in the plot are cut off in the saved image, set bbox_inches is equal to tight. And after the savefig function we used the show function to show our graph. It is very simple, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. I am here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.